In this problem, we're going to factor. You notice that there is no number in front of this squared term. So first let's check, is there a GCF? There is none. So Chloe, what factors of 12, so numbers that multiply to 12, that add up to positive 8? Let's think about that.
6.
Positive 6 and?
Positive 6.
And positive 2.
Oh,
okay.
2. Yeah, 2.
So if I look at 12, 6 times 2, let's just check for our signs, okay? So it's a positive 12. Positive 6 times positive 2 gives me positive 12. Positive 6 plus positive 2 adds up to positive 8. So this is correct.
What a way to get to
I can check my work again by foiling. Okay, so when I multiply x times x squared plus 2x plus 6x plus 12. And that gives me the original, so I know that I did my work correctly. High five. Okay, next problem. So in this problem, we're looking at a negative 24. Ooh. Okay, so we have negative 24. Factors of negative 24 that sum to a positive.
12 and 2.
Okay, so we know that they're going to...
Negative 2 and positive 12?
Oh, yes. Positive 12 and negative 2. If you're not sure, so look, 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. Let's add them up. 12 plus negative 2 would give me a positive 10. That's exactly what we're looking for. So, x plus 12 times x minus 2. Okay, I'm not going to check my work for this one. YOLO. Okay,
Scandalous.
Next one. Let's look at positive 10. I need to find factors of positive 10 that sum to negative 9. Wait, hold up. There's a few things I forgot to do. I forgot to check for GCF. When I look at all three of these, there's no greatest common factor. I can move on. Okay, so let's look. Factors of 10.
10 and 1.
Okay, so we know 10 and 1. There's also 2 and 5. These both have to be, if they're both positive, 10 plus 1 is 11.
So
No.
Negative 1 and 10.
Let's see. If we do negative 1 and negative 10.
Positive 10.
Okay, so let's try that. 10 times negative 1 would be negative 10. Is this negative 10?
No.
No. Let's make them both negative. Negative 10 plus negative 1 is negative 11. What's going on here? This one is not factorable. If you can't find any combination, it's not factorable. Sometimes we call it prime. And do we have another one? Let's look at this one. Okay, so I have negative 50. Are there any factors of negative 50 that would sum to positive? Actually, let's make this, I'm going to change the problem because I'm a teacher and I can do that. So we're going to change this one to a positive 50. Why did I change it? Because I just wanted to. Okay, so let's change this whole problem. It's positive 50. Factors of 50 that add up to 15. So we know 1 and 50. 2 and 25.
10 and 5. 10 and 5.
Ooh, 10 and 5. Okay, positive 5, positive 10. Multiply to positive 50. Great. And they add up to positive
so it's
15.
Okay.
And that's it for the Chloe show with factoring.
Guest starring Miss Addison.